everyone, welcome to Uncluttered by Susan. My name is Susan Raposa, and today we're going to talk about strategies for storage. If you've ever lived in an apartment or a condominium, you're probably familiar with these type of storage cages. They are typically located in the basement of the apartment building and are used to store items that you can't fit in your apartment. When you walk through these, you can see that the majority of them are pretty packed. A cluttered storage unit can be a nuisance. If you need to reach something stored in the back, you often have to take everything out in order to reach them. And if you're in a rush, all those things you just took out will be thrown back with the promise of, I'll get to it later. So today, this unit is our project. When working in small spaces, installing shelves can help you take advantage of the vertical height. It can also help you get things off the floor. So our goal today is to help the owner get rid of all the things he no longer uses, to install some shelves, and to organize the stuff so that he can easily access it in the future. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is set up a staging area. I have created 3 boxes for sorting: a donate box, a recycle box, and a trash box. The next step in the process is to take everything out of the storage unit and sort it into categories. That way, we'll be starting with a clean slate. The items that we're going to eliminate will be sorted into the 3 boxes we just created, and the items that are being kept will be sorted like by like. In this project, I sorted items by holiday wrapping, kitchen, cleaning supplies, luggage, and painting and construction supplies. Now that the storage unit is empty, we are ready to install the shelving and put the items back so they are organized and easy to access. But before we do that, I have a few tips. If possible, try to get everything off the floor. In this unit, you can see that the neighboring unit is storing food, and that food is leaking into this unit. If you had anything valuable on the floor, it could have potentially been ruined. Luggage takes up a lot of space. If possible, you can put your smaller suitcases into your larger ones, and you can significantly reduce the amount of space they'll need. Lastly, if you have smaller items, store them in a bin or a box so you can easily move them around without making a mess. Now, let's take a look at the final product. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Thanks and cheers.